Hey guys, and welcome yet to another awesome video. We're gonna start off with the battle pass, and in this battle pass we're gonna take a look at some really cool stuff. So let's just go into our second tab where we're gonna see our battle pass. In our battle pass we're gonna see battle pass rewards. So you're only gonna see this, well, you can claim these things if you have the battle pass. So right down here, let me just show you. So in order to unlock certain pages, that means you have to unlock and claim a lot of stuff from other pages. So before even getting to page 4, for example, you had to claim a bunch of stuff from page 1, 2, and 3. Anyways, right now we have claimed everything except for page 9 and page 10. One of the most frequent questions that I get is, what are base rewards? So for example, in order to unlock this right here and even this guy, it means we have to claim everything around them, everything that's claimable. Then they become unlocked. So those will be your base rewards. And once you finally go into bonus rewards, it's the same thing. Everything from here would be your base rewards. So it's better to just claim everything all at once instead of going one by one. And that's what I do in every single page. Also keep in mind, before I claim everything, I am level 100. So you need to be level 100, and that means you have enough battle stars in order to claim everything from the battle pass. Anyways, let's just go back to battle pass. We're gonna take a look at the battle pass rewards. So right here you guys can see I have 115 battle stars. So that's because I'm level 100 once again. So anyways, let's just claim everything page 9. So in order to claim everything, which means I'm claiming including the lock stuff right here, because I have enough battle stars, I have 50. Just to claim this and then another 50 for the other ones, I can just press Y. And then I can just claim everything within here. Now before I claim everything within here, I just want to highlight that you will be claiming this as well. And it looks really awesome. Anyways, just make sure that if you're watching this, it means that you're claiming this and you're claiming everything around it. So let's just go into claim. We're going to see this main skin and we're going to just go ahead and claim. So right now we get this. We can just go into next, or we can actually just equip. Same thing. So we're going to see this. We're going to see this awesome dance. We're going to get this, which is pretty neat. We're going to get V-Bucks because, hey, we need V-Bucks. And some music, this awesome artwork, plus what everybody has been waiting for, this style, which is pretty cool. Anyways, let's just move on. We're going to see this style, armored, right? Plus this, plus here, and these daggers, which look pretty neat. I do like these more than the red ones. And here we go, and here we go. Awesome. So we just claimed everything within here. We're just going to move on to page 10. Now that we claimed everything here, we won't have any problems claiming all page 10. Same thing. We're going to be able to claim this awesome emote that goes together obviously with Doctor Strange, which is our main thing from this whole page, which does include this awesome sword. Anyways, let's just go ahead and claim everything from here. So we're gonna hold on to that. We're just gonna claim everything within the page, and this time I'm gonna equip everything that I see from here because I do want to show you guys everything that comes with Doctor Strange. And we do get all this stuff from here, which does include this. I really like this emote. And here we go, Doctor Strange, which was, everybody's waiting for this. So for sure I'm equipping it. There we go, we just claimed everything within the battle pass. And yeah, I shouldn't say everything within the battle pass, because right now what we're gonna see is bonus rewards. So in bonus rewards, we can move on there and start claiming stuff from there. But you need enough battle stars. That means I need to level up even more. So in order to claim everything from within this, I need to be level 200. So that's gonna take some time. I've been leveling up a little bit, doing some quests, plus I've also been looking at right here, save the world. Anyways, let's just go back. And here is Doctor Strange, which, keep in mind, Marcus back here, he's already level 200, so that's why he has the bonus rewards as well. But for now, I'm just gonna save Doctor Strange because I do want a preset for him. So let me just go down here, save it. You don't have to do this, but you know, might as well. And now we're done. Anyways, as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.